Sebastian, it's a pleasure to meet you here again in another messe, and it's a pleasure to talk to you and to ask your opinion. In fact, I would like to discuss with you and know how the strategic collaboration between Schneider Electric and Weidmüller came to life. I would like to know more about the birth of SnapIn. Can you tell me more?
For sure, Matteo. And actually, it's a long story because at Weidmüller, smart industrial connectivity is at the heart of what we do. So the vision of what we call SnapIn today was already invented long time ago and a dream in the heads of our engineers. But all of our attempts failed until a moment where one of our lead engineers stood up and said, looking at our failed attempts, looking at the lessons learned, I have one more idea. And we said, okay, let's give it a try. And actually what we did, Matteo, we locked our engineers into a room. We gave them access to all the resources they needed. And you probably understand that when it finally clicked and SnapIn was born, this was also a very emotional event.
That's beautiful. And this is what I love about R&D. You try, you fail many times, and then there is one time when it clicks and then it goes. So, and what I love about SnapIn is that within the Thesis solution, in fact, we are integrating the wideband coil technology with the one-click connection. And this is great because we are bringing a lot of value to our partners, to our customers. So in fact, we are reducing the time to install, but not only that, we are providing something which is very reliable and which is very efficient. So can you tell me something more about this collaboration and the impact of it?
I think our collaboration between Schneider Electric and Weidmüller is a perfect example of the power of partnerships driving innovation for the benefit of our customers. Because like you said, SnapIn is fast, easy, and reliable. It's fast because it saves more than 80% of the installation time. It's easy because you can use it with fine-stranded wires, rigid wires. You can use it with or without wire end ferrule. You can use it without tools, and it's reliable because once it clicks, the connection is safe. But there's one more thing, Matteo. It's also a transformation because it's ready to robot. It enables automated cabinet building. So another benefit for our customers, maybe not today, but in the future.
Yeah, I totally agree with you. And today what we are doing it is to set a new benchmark in terms of efficiency. We are setting a new standard. So when we talk about the collaboration within our industry, how do you envision the future of industrial automation? How do you see?
I think it's exactly this. We need to prepare panel building for the next step, which is more and more automated panel building. And that's why we jointly offer now the right connection technology for that more efficient, more competitive, more reliable future.
So Sebastian, why we do not snap in together? No?
Let's do that, Matteo, and let's shape the new connection area together.
Yes, exactly.
Let's go for SnapIn. Snap into the future.